Dear friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into Natas, another war game from OverTheWire designed to sharpen your web security skills enormously. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And now let's jump in and start hacking our way through Natas. The level I'm going to do will be level 5. So the description is very simple as before. And I will take this opportunity to show you how to manipulate cookie. And also I'd like to show you how to use Python to extract and save the cookies, and how to update the cookie, and how to send request with the cookie. I think all of the techniques which will be demonstrated in this video will be very useful. So now we can get started. We can copy this address as a starting point. Now we can paste into the address bar of the browser, and we are required to supply the username Natas 5. As you know, this is HTTP basic authentication, and also we need to provide the password. We can copy it from notebook and paste in here, sign in. Don't save. Interesting. The page is saying access disallowed. You are not logged in. You know, besides HTTP basic authentication, even we are not required to submit anything, right? So a bit weird. And, to access the application, we need to log in. So how to do? One way of manipulating cookie, so important for penetration testing, okay? And there are at least two approaches. One, we can manipulate a cookie in the client or the browser. Alternatively, we can use Burp Suite to do that, but here I'm going to show you how to use the first approach. So how to do? Let me show you in action. We can right-click the mouse and go to inspect. So we need to see whether there are any cookies sent from the target. We can go to, sorry about this. We can go to the storage session, and as you can see, yes, indeed, already some cookies have been saved in the browser, and there is one key value pair, and the name of the key is logged in and the value is 0. Of course, the name of the key itself has already told us its usage. So maybe we can manipulate or change its value from 0 to 1 to see what will happen. Okay, let's refresh the page. As you can see, we successfully got access and the password for the next level. Very easy, but very important technique. So next I'm going to show you how to use Python to code the program to do the same thing. Or in other words, how to use Python to extract and save cookies, and how to update cookies, how to send a cookie in the new request. Okay, so now let's open up the editor of PyCharm, and we need to import something. Import modules, like import request module. This is a third-party module. In order to use this module, you need to install it with pip. And next, as before, or as previous levels, we need to import one class, requests authentication module. This module or this class, this module has a class HTTP basic authentication. This class can help us to handle HTTP basic authentication. And then we need to import another very important function. Function from the request utils module. This module can help. This function can help us to convert cookie jar, special type of cookie, to dictionary. Okay, from requests, utils, dictionary from cookie jar. Because we need to manipulate the cookie. So to do that, we need to convert cookie jar, a type of data, to dictionary. Okay, now let's code our program. And first of all, we can define the variable basic, and we can initialize this class. And to initialize this class, we need to give two arguments. The first one is username Natas 5, and followed by its password. We can copy it from notebook, and then we can send requests to the method is get. The URL, we can use keyword arguments. This would be more human readable. We can copy URL from browser and paste in here. And the second argument we need to pass is authentication, and this should be equal to basic. And then this response, if you want, you can print out its type response. The type response. This is a special object, and in this object has attribute of a cookie, and so we can extract cookies data from response object cookies. And this is the returned value is not string or dictionary. This is the cookie jar, a special type. So in order to manipulate this cookie, we need to convert it to dictionary. Okay, so dictionary from cookie jar, and we only give one argument, cookies, and then we can get a key value in case that different or several key value pairs, and then we can use this way to iterate, and then we can manipulate each. For example, we can give some if statement, and for each key we can do something on that. Okay, so in cookies, and it has dictionary has method items. Okay, and then we can set new value to this key. In this case, just the one key value pair. So we can cookies, dictionary, the key name is the same, and to new value. At this moment, the value is 0. We need to set it to 1. Of course, very important, we need to, this case, the 1 should be string rather than integer. Otherwise, you will get error. Okay? And now, the dictionary has been updated. And then we need to send a new request to the web application with cookies. Okay? With new cookies. So how to do? So response, new, and requests get method, and we can copy these two arguments from this line. And besides, also we need to pass the cookies, and here we need to give the dictionary, and so we need to pass this one, and then we can print its response text attribute. This text attribute contains source code of response. Okay, so I think that's all we need to do in this program. Save it, and now bring up the terminal to run it to see whether there is any error. If there is, no problem, we can fix it. Press enter. Yeah, this is the class, the response. As you can see, we successfully got the password for the next level. So I think that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next